Ah. Hi, hello, namaskara, vanakkam, sulmelu, walaikum salam. This is Shars and you're watching Shars Films. Good afternoon, beautiful people. Hope you're doing good. Time is around 2:41 and welcome to my vlog. Today's vlog is all about installing the KTM indicators on this beautiful machine, the 2011 Yamaha Fazer. This bike is powered by 149cc single cylinder air cooled unit which produces maximum power of 13.8 bhp at 7500 rpm and maximum torque of 13.6 newton meters at 6000 rpm, which is mated to the 5-speed gearbox, tank capacity being 12 liters and seat height being 790 mm. This beautiful bike is owned by my brother from another mother, Mr. Abhijith Kumar. So now we are changing the seat cover of this bike, and then we'll be heading towards the motor venture, which is in Mangalore, where you get all the accessories for bikes. And we'll be getting the indicators from that shop, and then we'll be installing in a local garage. So yeah, seat cover has been changed. It looks neat and clean, a little bit shiny also. So yeah, I'll see you guys once I reach the motor venture. Until then.
Just got the indicators from Motor Venture, and we are on the way to local shop in Suratkal to install these indicators, as I mentioned before in the vlog. So these indicators are not fake ones or not replica of KTM indicators. Actually, these indicators are from Minda company. Minda company used to supply indicators to KTM during their initial days. So you can find these indicators on early Duke 200s and 390s. So about the cost, these indicators cost 500 rupees per pair. The indicators from KTM service shops, they cost around 600 rupees per piece, okay, not per pair. So this is budget friendly. And don't come to the conclusion that these indicators are not bright and won't last long. Trust me, I have installed the same indicators on my NS200 last year and they are still bright. So these are the cheap and best indicators you can find in the markets right now. So yeah, let's go to the local shop to install these indicators and after installing I'll also show you how they look and perform. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please do consider subscribing. Also hit the bell icon, make it all, so that you will stay notified whenever I come with a new video. Also, do share this video with your friends who are planning to install these indicators onto their bikes. Okay then, let's continue the vlog.